problem with sales today is that many salespeople are simply picking up the phone and reaching out to their prospects simply because they are in their territory or in the desired vertical market, or they are fitting the profile of a target account. That's all fine, but that's a big problem if you're reaching out to people and you don't have a reason for them to speak with you. What I'm trying to say is there is something missing. You as a salesperson, you have to uncover and communicate a meaningful connection for each prospect, the unique one. And you can do this, and it doesn't have to be a time-consuming process. So you can simply be prepared and know your foundations, know your product in and out, you know how this helps people, and then you start pushing information towards clients. And what's happening? They're not replying to you, they are not responding to your emails or calls, and you're frustrated because you know you have something of value, but it's a one-way street where you are pushing information towards them, but you're not pulling the people into the conversation. And can you do that? Yes, you can. You can pull people into conversation if you have a good reason that you can give them why you are contacting them today. And more importantly, for them, for your prospects to speak with you, they need to be aware of a certain situation, problem, or challenge they have and how you can resolve them. Not 30, 60, 90 days in the future, but today. So it's up to you to not to send an email that could be perceived as spam, because there is no personalization that really makes you stand out and your prospect take notice of you. So what can you do?